Alright everybody, welcome back. So today we're going to go over while loops, and while loops is pretty much a loop that continues to go until a condition is unsatisfied. So while this condition is satisfied, a while loop will continue to go. So we can say for our variable numbers, while our numbers are less than or equal to 10, we can print these numbers and we'll increment these numbers by 1 each time. So we'll print out a list of numbers from 0 to 10. So yeah, our printing works accordingly. So this condition will continue to run while the numbers are less than or equal to 10. So another example we can use is, let's say the number is manual input. Let's say it's input of choose a number. Choose a random number. Let's just go with that. Now I'll copy that and I'll say while the number is not equal to 100, we'll say if number like to 100, that's just another one, so we'll keep it running. I'll say not 100. Try again. We'll say something like that. Now let's see what happens. So I will choose a number and it's going to be 99. Nope, not 100. Try again. 101. Nope, try again. Let's say I got 100. Now our program has stopped. We'll say program stopped. Now if we run that again, we'll choose 100 and 1. Nope, 100. Program stopped. So we've reached outside of this loop. So yeah, that's pretty much what a while loop does. It continues to do something until a condition is met. So while our input that we got is not 100, it's going to keep running this. So nope, not going to do that again. So if the number is not 100, then we'll put in another input, and then it will run back to the top and check. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you learned something from this video.